sugar cookies. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. And you're watching I Can Do That with Cookie. You'll find recipe and meal prep, exotic global foods, home staging and styling, weight loss journeys, organization, home improvements and DIYs, and reviews on makeup and everything, and so much more. Stay tuned because I upload weekly. Every time, without fail, I'm gonna hit the record button and everybody in the neighborhood got to come outside and mow the lawn, and the birds are chirping, quack, 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 quack. So I can tackle this thing back here and go, Wonder Woman. Yeah. Well, hello there. It's me, Cookie. Happy New Year. Can I still say Happy New Year even though it's already January, 11, 12 or something like that? By the time you see this, or past the 12th. Anywho, I'm gonna say it again, Happy New Year, because it's my channel, I could do that. How is everyone? I hope that everyone finds themselves blessed, safe, well. But it's time to tackle them projects, and me moving into a new home and moving from North Florida into Central Florida, I had to get rid of a lot of things, and then things started spreading, if you know what I'm saying. So things had to be on pause, and I've got to declutter and organize this pantry.
It's not too bad, so she's saying.
It's gotta be done. It has a little bit of semblance of organization, but not really, and I want to do a little bit better. I have a few little containers. I'm not going out and buying anything. I'm going to use what I have on hand, and then by decluttering, seeing, moving some things around, using some baskets that I have, if afterwards I still need some stuff, then maybe I'll go get it. And I would love to paint in there or wallpaper, do some things in there, build it upwards. Stick around because there's a lot of projects that I'm going to be doing around the house, organizing, decorating, DIYs and things like that. So you want to stay tuned for that. I want to take out the shelves in there and put wood ones. In our previous home, I had a walk-in pantry. This one is a little bit of a step squeeze maybe pantry. You'll see. Nonetheless, it suits my needs. I did gain more storage, but I got a smaller pantry, but I have a pantry. Anyhow, I'm rambling. Anywho, grab a cup of coffee. And get ready. Let's do this with the... Let's see this back here.
I'm gonna give you a closer look though, don't you?
Alright, so this is what I am working with now. That's what I meant by building up, because I have a lot of space going up that way. And so far, that's what I did. It's okay. It's alright. It may not be Pinterest worthy. That's alright. It doesn't have to be. It has to be Cookie household worthy. And then I have this situation which always
Don't judge me.
which always seems to have worked out in our previous home. However, I don't know, I think I might want to do some shelving here. I think I could get it at Bed Bath & Beyond. So yeah, let's see what I can do. Oh my Lord. I might just do one shelf at a time. Can I speak, please? I might just do one shelf at a time so that I won't get overwhelmed and do it that way. So let's see what happens. Oh my goodness. And these are the baskets that I was talking about that I have on hand. Now this is the backsplash, just extra of what I want to do. I'm waiting because I want to get a spigot, a faucet put back here as well. There's a special, what do you call it, in between the grout. I want it in a metallic kind of color, so that might have to, I've been waiting on that too, so let's see. Anyway, these are the baskets. Back to the schedule program forecast. I'm working one shelf at a time. Yes. These right here, I don't know how practical they are for me. Unless for me, you're going to use it for, let's say, oatmeal and flour, the regulars. Then I could see using this, but for me, I like to change things out. I love to cook. I develop recipes, so things like these are, I don't know. I needed this for the holidays and it was up there. Why? I don't know. I had things on trays, so I was able to slide out and put it here on the counter. And I'm gonna share with you how I have everything categorized, which makes it easier to sort through, declutter, donate, give away, or have to, unfortunately, throw away. Did you get your coffee? Coffee? Cafe. That's the tray that was on the shelf and I was able to pull it out safely. And I have this in here on a Lazy Susan, which is a great, look at that, but I did break that. That's no problem, I can fix that. It's still usable. So I have everything categorized together so it's easy to sort through. That's the way I'm gonna put it back in the shelf. So I have my Asian goodies here and I have my sauces and things. Now, a tip that I wanna give you is that I shift whatever is getting ready to expire first forward. And I have these two sauces here that I was going to use, but I don't really care for them too much, but they're getting close to getting expired, I think in March of this year. So a tip that you can do, if you're still not ready to use them, just empty them out and put them in a freezer safe container. And there's that, you have them for a while, or you could put them in ice cubes and you have individual sauces that way.
So you're not, wasting and stuff.
All the pastas and grains and things. And then I have the pasta back there as well. Yep, this is going to be a breeze. It won't take forever, centuries and centuries. I won't feel overwhelmed. Yay, put some good music on and get going. Ooh.
That was satisfying.
It is day numero dos. And I did pretty good. Well, I'll let you decide on that. However, I just want to give you some tips, a couple little ideas, and I didn't spend any money. However, the misters, he gifted me with something and came home, put it together the same day, devised something just so that I could have some upper head lighting in there. He's so sweet. You ready? Let's see it in. I'm so excited. Ta-da! Welcome to my pantry. The next update that I'm going to do with this pantry is cosmetic, and I like the layout of it because it's just me and the husband right now, and sometimes our daughter does come home often and things, and we entertain and things like that. However, basically it's me and the husband and our dog, and this whole system just works out great, and I want to exchange this wiring. No more wire hangers. Comment below if you know where that's from.
Focus.
I want to replace these with wood shelves. I want to build up this way because that's wasted storage space up there. And I want to paint a wallpaper or do something in this area right here. And there goes my neighbor walking by with the dogs, probably thinking, what's going on? That's okay, keep it moving. That is still there. I don't know if I'm gonna replace that with that wire shelving I mean.
I can speak.
I had to make it pretty as well, y'all, as much as possible with everything that I had on hand. Let me show you what the misters did. Watch this. Are you watching? Are you watching? Isn't it sweet? I got the remote right here. Again. Let there be light. That was fabulous. Great collaboration. Thank you, baby. Love you so much. So I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer and talk about a few little details here and there just to give you some ideas. Before I go on a closer tour of the pantry, see, it is actually a step-in pantry. Una minutes. Hello? Hello? Can somebody open the door? Hello? If you live in a humid country or state, I live in Central Florida and it is quite humid here. I get these at the Dollar Tree. I usually keep damp rid on hand as well, but when I don't have damp rid, I have this and it does work. As you can see, it's collecting water. And a little tip, this little cotton that you see right here, not sponsored, I douse it with this gingerbread cookies essential oil. It's all natural, and I douse them on there, and every time I open the pantry, it gives such a nice waft without the scent penetrating food items and things like that. So there's 2 tips right there. If you keep onions or if you keep potatoes or tubers in there of any kind, you want to keep things, or if you keep bread in the pantry the way I do. Lazy Susans, y'all. Oh my goodness, Lazy Susans. Yes, as much as possible. It just keeps everything nice and accessible. I can see things. Love that.
Another Lazy Susan.
Check this out. Look at that. See? Keeps things easy. You can wipe it. Ah, love that. I just want to mention that these apples, no, I don't keep apples in the pantry, although I keep bread in the pantry, but these apples are just fake. I just put them there for decoration purposes for the video because I didn't have any potatoes or any onions or any other kind of tubers, which is what I would really keep in that basket. And then underneath it, I put the basket on its side, the crate on its side.
Can I speak, please?
To put the beans in there and things. And then on this door, I decided to keep the shoe storage situation until I have the proper shelving unit that I want to put on there. I just purged it, that's all. Let me know what you think of me chalkboarding the outside of this door until I replace it with the door that I really want, which is a frosted door. What do you think about that situation? Comment below and let me know. Do you have a frosted door in your pantry? What kind of pantry do you have? I'd like to know. I'm glad that's over with. What do you think? Comment below. What kind of stuff are you tackling for the new year? I'm going to be organizing and getting rid of a lot of things and decluttering some more. We moved into this new home and, you know, the Pizzeria hit and things like that. So some things had to be put on pause, if you will. Let me know what you think of my pantry. If you like this video and you found some value in it, some fun, some laughs, come back, subscribe. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Share the video. Why? Because sharing is caring, and it really helps your girl get forward, get noticed by the algorithm.
Post notification bell, you know, the ding ding dong ding ding bell.
And post it to all so you don't miss any of my videos. And as I say around here, smile your soul. Thank you for it. Una minutes. Be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next. I'm gonna finish this coffee now. Now everybody want to talk. They can in your pantry, in your closets and things like that, but especially if you're in your
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.